Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Guyette Roofing and Construction, a great American family business success story. Congratulations to the incredible team at Guyette Roofing and Construction on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship to the people of the Montgomery and Mobile markets in Alabama every day since 1982. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of Guyette Roofing and Construction. Guyette Roofing and Construction is one of those companies that was built on great values, honesty, integrity, craftsmanship, and just plain doing what's right since day one. This company does all kinds of residential and commercial roofing. The owners are Bill Guyette and his sons Billy and Jonathan, who literally grew up in the family business. The family is very thankful for their full-time crews, who are really great people. They've been with them a long time, and they do outstanding work every day. Guyette is a GAF Master Elite roofing contractor, which is an honor reserved for only the best of the best. Fewer than 2% of all roofing contractors in North America ever achieve Master Elite status. Being a Master Elite allows the Guyette team to offer fantastic warranties on their roofs, backed by GAF, the largest roofing materials maker in the country. But at Best of the Best, we care most about recent reviews from real clients and our independent research. Remember, we didn't tell anyone at Guyette we were doing this video. We only did so after doing lots of homework. We read over 150 five-star reviews, for example, about this company, and we could have read more. Customers simply raved about the workmanship, the professionalism, the attention to detail, the responsiveness, especially after hailstorms or tornadoes, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Guyette Roofing and Construction. These are good people. Guyette has had an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau for many years. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. Bill Sr. travels to foreign countries each summer to lead local missionaries in the construction of really important projects that change people's lives in very compelling ways. We love it. Congratulations to everyone at Guyette Roofing and Construction in Alabama, a great American family business, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for over 4 decades and counting. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.